Discover the top 5 kebab restaurants in Istanbul, Turkey. Welcome to Istanbul, a city brimming with rich flavors and culinary wonders. First stop, Hami Restaurant. Known for exquisite lamb kebabs and view of Bosphorus. Next, Seade Urum KAG Kababi. Their specialty, the mouth-watering KAG Kebab, is a must-try. Zu Oak Basi offers juicy, succulent kebabs in a warm, traditional setting. Finally, in Mayang Satis, where authentic Turkish kebabs meet breathtaking views of the city. Follow us on Top 5 channel to get all news around the world.